Hey, what's up you guys? I'm making my new video, but I got a new set warming gift, and yeah, like what I'm about to make, I don't know what it is. Okay. A little plate where you put the big utensils after you cook so it doesn't go all over the table or all over the counter. But it says live deliciously and it's adorable and I love it, and thank you. You're gonna be starting first grade.
Yeah, it's gonna be easy peasy. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Lime squeezy.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Lemon squeezy.
I'm squeezing limes though. I'm gonna grab my ingredients, see if I can guess what I'm making, and then I'm gonna watch a little bit of the video. So I have habaneros, avocados. So I have 2 tomatillos and a serrano pepper. Has cilantro, chives, we got shrimp, and we have limes. So I'm gonna assume we're making ceviche, which is my favorite. And I'm gonna move this out of the way. Shrimp ceviche verde.
Ceviche is all about freshness. And the good thing about making shrimp ceviche is that, well, most of the shrimp that we can buy is very fresh right before it's frozen. And then you can buy it frozen and defrost it in your refrigerator overnight. Now, I'm going to make a green ceviche for you. A little unusual because it's just filled with herbs and green chili, and of course it's filled with lime juice because that's one of the defining elements in a ceviche. So I'm going to fresh squeeze a ½ cup of lime juice to get us started.
So I'm back from watching the video, and if you guys don't remember from my last video, I had mentioned that the reason why I made this channel and I'm doing all this is to be able to learn how to cook various dishes and to improve my skills. Also, I mentioned that we're gonna have to maybe change a few things. One of them being we're gonna have to increase the amount of lime juice that we use, because it's gonna be feeding me, feeding her, and feeding the rest of my family. So instead of using a ½ cup, we're gonna be using a
cup.
A cup?
Yes.
You're violent. But
You just shoved it in there.
yeah, I did. Crap.
Yeah, you better get it out of there. No one wants to eat lime peels.
Yeah, no one wants to eat lime peels.
No, not even me.
Thank you for telling me that.
Get that juice out of there.
You like lime juice?
Yeah.
You think other people like lime juice?
Yeah, especially my mom.
Rip. Wait, I'm gonna grab this out of the way.
Tear it. I told
Okay.
you to tear it.
Okay. Violent.
There?
Think we should do more, or is that enough?
That's enough, I guess. I think it's more of a leak for you.
Like that?
On my hair.
I don't remember doing that.
spray.
I don't remember, dude.
Yeah, because you found your wet spray.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
That's nice.
That's enough? Alright. So now you gotta get this for the shrimp.
Yeah. The wet.
So, bro, have you ever had ceviche before?
No, because Dad's was hardened. Dad's ceviche was hardened.
We'll see.
It was hardened.
How was it hardened?
It was sitting there for too long and it hardened.
Okay.
On the desk. Then I couldn't eat it since it was hard.
You mean the tortilla?
No, it's ceviche.
Do you think my ceviche is gonna come out good?
Yeah. Then,
Oh jeez, moving the whole table.
all the people just like their ceviche because it looks better with green stuff on it. How we put green frosting on normal ceviche?
Green frosting? I don't think frosting belongs on ceviche, Mama.
Yeah, it does. Because you're making green ceviche. Like and subscribe. Click that notification bell. And then like and subscribe. Click that bell. And it's little, so it's red. Make it gray. It's like subscribe. That's what my Spanish just said. Of course. Click that notification bell. Get notified.
Good job.
I did very good.
You did. So while we let that sit for 30 minutes, I'm gonna,
Marinade.
while that marinates for 30 minutes, I'm gonna watch the rest of the video.
Remove the pit, scoop the ripe avocado flesh out of the skin, and then cut it into small.
Since the ceviche is almost done, I'm gonna be cutting the habanero and,
Not the chives, because they're bad.
yes, I'm gonna be cutting the peppers and the avocado, and like she said, well, not the chives because
They're bad.
they went bad. Yeah, we got a bad batch.
A batch of them.
Got a bad batch.
Yep.
Yeah.
Make sure to cut out its eyes too.
Hmm?
Make sure to cut out its eyes.
What? Peppers don't have eyes.
I saw the eyes. Comment what do you want to make?
You mean you want them to comment what I should make? Yeah.
Of course they should watch your channel, of course, because I have me in it. Yes,
But before I cut it, what shape was it?
a square.
No. It's more like an oval.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Before you cut it in.
If I cut it, not cut it.
Now it's in cubes, like ice cubes.
Do you like ice cubes?
Yeah. They make my drink cold.
You like Ice Cube, the rapper?
Yeah.
What's your favorite song of Ice Cube?
The ice cube song. The ice cube part.
Okay.
Is my favorite.
You are so weird. Why won't this pit come out? What did you just say?
I said it's pitting against you.
Pitting against you.
Oh, there we go. But would you know why it's a good idea to put lime on top of avocados?
Why? Because it doesn't turn brown.
Yeah, so it doesn't turn brown. You're smart.
I love mine.
What?
I love my
You love your what?
parts.
Ooh. So it's
Shrimp.
it's ceviche, and you can put it on these or on that. So.
Okay, I'm so excited.
We put lime on it.
Lime's good on everything, pretty much.
We're getting the peppers.
There you go.
Oh, goodness.
We spiced up some.
Oh, yeah. Do you want some?
Oh, should I? Do you think I should try it with
I
it, or
don't
should I
know.
try it once
I've
before?
actually never had this version of ceviche. We do usually something slightly different.
Okay. Well, maybe I'll do one bite without to get the full richness of the ceviche, and I'll add some spices. Mmm. That's good.
And I don't eat this.
Wow. Your tears of happiness. Enjoy.
Not that your mouth is dying.
Can I try it?
Yep, that
Yeah.
that was a habanero pepper.
Just plain. Just plain.
Yeah.
Mm.
You have any? Did you eat your other shrimp?
So, what's your favorite dish to cook?
Probably quesadillas or like tortas.
Because you could do so many things with those. That's the fun part of them.
Because with tortas you can put like pineapples or jalapenos or eggs or whatever.
Go.
Thank you for watching. You want to do it together?
Yeah.
Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Give this video a like, subscribe, and what else should they do?
Click that bell.
Click the bells for what?
Notification.
And why do they need notifications?
Why?
'Cause...
They're gonna get notified.
Okay, yeah. And like she said, you'll get notified when I post. And now,
Video.
yeah, you'll know when I get a new video.